here, mine. Just cruising on down the highway. Cars run actually very well. And the light's been flashing for probably the last mile and a half. It's my Phantom misfire codes.